Before we dive into this week's mini video, let's review phylogenetic tree basics. When examining the tree, you first start off at the root, which is the common ancestor of all the operational taxonomic units. From the root, we can easily find the outgroup. This is the OTU that diverged earlier than all other OTUs. Evolution of the outgroup is an example of anagenesis, as there are no evolutionary divergences that are observed. Where cladogenesis occurs within a tree, we observe internal nodes, which are synonymous with the most recent common ancestor of the OTUs under that lineage. In this video, we will be creating a phylogenetic tree for the multiple modes of transportation. In order to do this, we must establish a single common ancestor that all operational taxonomic units, OTUs, diverge from. This makes our tree a rooted phylogenetic tree. From this common ancestor, our tree splits into two branches, vehicles with motors and vehicles without motors. The vehicles without motors split is an anagenesis event that gives rise to the outgroup of the tree, bicycles. The vehicle with motors split is much more complicated, as cladogenesis gives rise to a vast possibility of internal and external nodes. After establishing the presence of a motor, the tree splits at a hypothetical taxonomic unit based on the number of wheels that the vehicle has. The location of this split is an internal node that represents the most recent common ancestor between 2- and 4-wheeled vehicles. Vehicles with 2 wheels can either be fast or slow, giving rise to motorcycles and mopeds respectively. Vehicles with 4 wheels have evolved to a greater extent than their 2-wheeled counterparts. The first observed split is characterized by the presence of a bed or not. A covered bed gives us a hearse, and a bed that is uncovered is characteristic of a truck. Vehicles without a bed shared this most recent common ancestor prior to further evolutionary splitting. From this common ancestor, we observe vehicles that have trunks and those that have hatches. Vehicles with hatches can either be boxy, resulting in a SUV, or round, resulting in a minivan. Vehicles that have trunks share a most recent common ancestor that then diverges to give us boxy muscle cars and round sports cars. Thanks for watching. Here are my PowerPoint references.